Cotabato City. Let's visit the Barm Rising Barm Tourism Summit 2025. So it's so amazing, guys. Sobrang ganda nito. Sayang. Napakaganda ng so this is called the Bangka.
Since ang Tawi-Tawi is
woven heritage.
loving people,
Woven heritage.
is a loving people.
So,
Ang nanalo ko kahapon sa pal na ticket.
Asia Bit Hardcore.
Mag-offer po ako na libreng tour sa kanya pag-Tawi-Tawi. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Mabuhay po ang Barm government.
Mabuhay ang Barm government. Nice. Pira, yakan population. Hotel and garden.
Maraming salamat sa Celebrity Tour sa Marriott Istambay to Singapore to Bungkaw sa probinsya ng Tawi-Tawi. Continue na po tayo dahil the next regular natin is from Tawi-Tawi, no? So, Rochelle Place Hotel at Yellow Beach House. Yes, ma'am.
Primera Hotel.
Right
Okay.
now I'm going to offer you a free
Free what? Tawi-Tawi? Free tour to Tawi-Tawi.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. To our distinguished guests, fellow stakeholders, partners in tourism, friends, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Mabuhay! I am Rachel Alifa, proprietor of Rachel's Trees located in downtown Tawi. It is my dream to stand before you today to present